निहार.
हिंदू मंदिर पूरा ठीक है। बताओ, सैन एंटोनियो हिंदू मंदिर।
सैन एंटोनियो हिंदू टेम्पल मंदिर, सनातन मंदिर। The name is Hindu Temple of San Antonio, Sanatan Mandir.
जेवण उभं राहायचं.
हमारे प्रेसिडेंट साहब आएंगे. आइए विनय जी. जो बोले सो
सत श्री अकाल. वीडियो निकाल लो पीछे. आप आ जाइए.
जो बोले निहाल.
सत श्री अकाल.
हरो हरो महादेव की जय. जो बोले निहाल.
My name is Murthy from Hindu Temple here. So we're very blessed and glad that this caravan has come all the way from Om Ashram and visiting all the Hindu places along the way. And it is very gratifying to know such a wonderful Guru is being honored and on his special day. And when we read, first of all I have to thank Jitu Bhai and then also Stekati for bringing to this attention that both Gurudwaras are interested to perform this along with all of us. And this is a phenomenal thing to do in Hindu society right here because all of us have a common goal, as we say in Vasudeva Kutumbam, right? We're all one family together here. And so we're very happy that we're able to participate with you. And it's really encouraging that you end up here. So we're very unique having been here and we're so blessed. All our relations are able to support here. And we're so thankful for allowing us to be part of this. Anyway,
thank you. And we are very glad to be celebrating and we will welcome you all very thankful to all of you for being the community. Mr. Ramana Singh is not here today, but he would have been
Hello, my name is Khalsa, my name is Patel. So we have belonged to 16 from San Antonio. My name is Patel Hussain. So we are very blessed. We are part of your community and we are celebrating the Father Savior of the year. So on the 25th, we are going to do the same thing in September. So you are most welcome to join us in Khalsa.
जी जी दसिए फौज की फतेह सत श्री अकाल
Just want to recognize each organization that are here. And just provide that your people from home asking questions.
Actually, the whole Hindu Samaj is getting represented today in individual organizations. But I want to take, most of us know who Teg Bahadur Ji is, but I also wanted to take this opportunity to share the highlights of his life and what sacrifice he did. So, just I wanted to consider, just a couple of years ago, we celebrated Pran Pratishthan of Ram Janmabhoomi, right? And celebrated the opening ceremony of Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. This wasn't just an opening of another temple. It was the result of decades, almost 459 years of occupation and fight to reclaim the birthplace of Sri Ram in our own motherland. But this fight of dharma is not new. It's been going on for over 2000 plus years. Just 35-40 years ago, Kashmir heard those killing words. Those words were relieve, Salim or Galil. Convert, leave or die. And only 7 months ago, April 25, the same thing happened. The terrorists struck again in Kashmir. They spared some based on the religion, killed others at point blank. Same pattern, same operation, persecution and killing. History repeats. 355 years ago, Kashmir had faced a similar situation in the form of Aurangzeb and his tyranny. Jizya tax, forced conversion, orders went out. Every Hindu and non-believers of specific religion were forced to pay the Jizya tax. Helplessly, all the Kashmiri Pandits and rest of the community reached out to Sri Guru Teg Bahadur Ji for his guidance. Young Gobind Rai Ji was listening quietly and asked his father what would be the solution for this situation. Guruji spontaneously said, it can stop, but it needs the sacrifice of a great soul. So, just a 9 or 11-year-old Guru Gobind Ji, he was not Guru yet, replied, who else better than you, father? So, that was the turning point, and Guruji, that is Guru Teg Bahadur Ji, told all the Pandits to go back to your place, and if Aurangzeb forces them again, tell them that if Guruji converts, we all will have it. That was the message given by Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji to rest of the community, and as the faith, is rest for us. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji got, he was, at that moment, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, designated his son to take over the charge and declared him the 10th Guru of Sikh Panth, right? So after that, he left to Delhi. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji left to Delhi along with his three main accomplices, Bhai Matidar Ji, who was cut alive, Bhai Dayal Ji, he was boiled alive, Bhai Satidar Ji, who was burnt alive. So our Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji still stood firm. He did not agree to convert. On November 11, 1675, at Chandni Chowk, right now it's a very busy place or center in New Delhi, right? At Chandni Chowk, Aurangzeb had Guruji beheaded. His head rolled far, but Bhai Jaita, he carried the head of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. As the people were distracted, he bundled that head into the cloth and he carried it to Anandpur Sahib. That's where Guru Gobind Ji was residing, and he honored him with Rangreta Beta, the son of Guru Gobind Ji. Bhai Akhali Rai, he cremated Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's body at near his home, and that is now called as Rakhavganj Sahib in New Delhi.
Shishganj is where they said.
Yeah.
So Shishganj Gurudwara is where they
Very nice. So, and Guruji's immortal words were still echo: give up your head, but never forsake those you protect. Sacrifice life, but never abandon faith. Till his last breath, Guruji stood for Dharma. Friends, it's our heritage. It's our responsibility. The oppression and persecution may never end unless we stand firm as Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji did. If we are not proud of our own Dharma, if we can't practice our own faith, if we won't unite even now, then the sacrifice of Sri Tegh Bahadur Ji will go in vain. And we may not have much time. I don't want to wait for another Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji to come and save us. Respect, not just to tolerate each other's faith and culture, is need of the hour. Be united, be proud. Shat Shat Pranam, Jo Bole, So Bole.
Sat Sri Akal.
So I request Assistant National Congress, Renat Sharma to
आप ये सारे आप बीच में आएंगे.
remembering him and the three accomplices. Yes. Because the three accomplices were also Brahmins who were involved.
It's supposed to be all Muslims and not
By Santeli, by Maniji, by Dayalji, they were all Brahmins.
अच्छा गीत है chanting our childhood. This is about Guru Gobind Singh Ji, who is the son of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. So for him, this song I still remember. Maybe you can do one. Those who know this song will join with me. Let me find that.
पिता भार्या
You all know this song, Bhaiya? I sang this in my childhood last thing. This is about the Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And his father was Guru Tegh Bahadur. सवारिया के लाल चारुवारे ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले सवारिया चारुवारे ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले जनम गुरंदा पटन साहिब दा जनम
गुरंदा पटद साहेबदा
आनंदपुर डेरा लाया ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले
I am the Buddha to Gaya, O Hind teri shan badale. Pita mujmande tej bahadur. Amadu sadai ka jaya, O Hind tera shan badale.
एक गुरांदे नीला घोड़ा एक गुरांदे नीला घोड़ा एक गुरांदे नीला घोड़ा
Let Vidande Nila Goda.
विक्रमाद सुहाया हिंद तेरी शान बदले
द्वार सिवाया ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले
चलो वीरो चल दर्शन
चलो वीरो चिद दर्शन
करिए
करिए गुरु गोविंद सब आए ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले ओ हिंद तेरी शान बदले सत श्री अकाल खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की लिखते
So we're going to do is to turn around and we have our face and then we're going to do a small action here for our God here. And then once we land, we will recognize from all people, all the community that brought this group together. And also wanted to make sure that everybody understands tomorrow, all the Hindu groups that are here today will be coming there and serving during the Manga time on shirt. We're very excited about that. And I think in future, we would like to see your children and your volunteers come up here. And we would want to come up there. The message is not on an anniversary like this. The message is kids come here, we wanted to thank each other. Really happy.
बापूजी आगे आइए। बड़ा प्यारा नाम है।
Thank you very much. So one more thing I wanted to mention to all the six organizations as well as the organization is, as you know, the whole world has become so polarized right now. And it doesn't matter what we do, unfortunately for us, unfortunately is, we all drive fancy cars for whatever reason, and we are all well established in this community, and so we automatically become targets for some people. So what I would like to request, and we have been working with GP by before, perhaps the team, is we will try to coordinate the security meeting that we had before. We try to get together so we can form with all the organizations, come up with a plan of how we want to address, what we can do outside, what we cannot do outside. In fact, this car rally, I was a bit apprehensive considering what is going on in the Washington DC, whether we need to do this or not. Thankfully, everything went peacefully. And one of the best things for us from Hindu temple, once you come inside the gate, it's our own land, nobody knows what is happening here. So we are kind of safe, but you're never safe in this world, especially in America. So I would want to remind all our leaders to work with us. It doesn't matter what organization you represent, but we'll form that coalition so that we can start sharing some information. I had some weird information from Dallas that they had some issues there. So I wanted to share that with this group, all of us, so that mutually we can come up with a plan where we take care of our devotees, our members who are coming to our worship places. Because the worship places is where everybody's off, right? They take it so comfortable, leave our kids, everything is comfortable. All it takes is one small thing to happen, and everything we do is going to go waste. And we don't want that. And on this special day, I just wanted to remind all of us to be very cognizant, respectful of each other, and trying to tone ourselves down as much as possible until all of these things will get down. But definitely, I will work with the mind and that will be receiving and kind of instrument and mixing people of the groups. And we met before several, a few times to come up with this plan. So I wanted to bring that to all occasions so that it doesn't matter who it is, we share the information and we share the technology, we share the know-how so that at all times we are all on board and protecting each other. It doesn't really matter that we all came here and we all need to be together. And this is a perfect day to remind us that we need to continue to be there. So thank you very much. God bless each one of you for coming here, for taking your time on a special day. There's a lot of things going on in this community. Everybody is busy. But this should off and put it inside the sugar tray. We don't want to draw more attention, especially when we're not together or we become a target. So safely go home.